light. With them we will stand in the light. Teach them respect in every stride. What we honor, hold their hands so high. In their smile, we see the spark. Training your kids leaves a lasting mark. Through the struggles and the skies, they will shine brighter like the stars. From the field to the city light, they will bring blessing every day. Bless their way, guide their steps every day. For tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Bless their way, guide their steps every day. For tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. Together we will stand in the light.
What is it? And before you say anything, Auntie Jane, please.
You come and stand here.
What?
You can't go dumb suddenly. Stand!
Well, we don't want to eat this anymore. This is rubbish.
Absolutely rubbish.
You heard that, right? So, we want white rice and peppered stew.
Well, you heard her.
I wasn't talking to myself.
Well, I'm out of here. You can keep us standing there. 10 minutes.
We're going to frustrate her life in this house.
She thinks she is wise, like she is so wise.
Well, she can't. See that girl? When we are done with her.
I can imagine that.
When we are done.
I hope she doesn't hear us.
Who cares? If she like, let her hear.
Open the gates.
Where you dey go now with this kind of face? Eh? If I open this gate now, make you carry this kind of face. If you go 5 person, put me for trouble. You will go. How
Efiom.
What? Who you dey call Efiom? Madam, I use code name take back you. If you know fit pronounce my name well, Efiom, Oro Matitia, no dey call me. You talk, I know say na me dey talk to. Don't talk about him go Efiom. If Efiom wants to, stop breathing. I mean, they go. No go stay for that place. If not, I go rub this gate, keep it for outside room. Bag and pombre. Something wrong with me. Oh, you they call it from? No, they call me like that. Make me and you know be one trust out. No. Whoa.
What was that about? Like,
I don't know. But you see that Calabar idiot? He thinks he knows everything in this house.
we are going to give him his own times soon.
Yes, we will, but not yet. His cup is not filled up yet.
Yeah.
That's Irish potato and fried chicken. It smelled nice.
The aroma is breathtaking. I think we should go and eat it.
Yes, let's go.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure.
This is so delicious.
You're right. She happens to be the best cook among others. I won't have forgiven you if I had missed this meal.
Come on, will you shut up your mouth? See who is talking. Not eat your food now. Oh my goodness. I don't know why she didn't move your water for us.
I use the juice.
Like, your food is
Awesome.
I know, right? And it's so spicy.
So this is what you want us to eat.
I pity the man that will marry you. You can't even make common Irish potato.
Common fried chicken.
Oh God. I don't want to eat it.
Me too.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. 'Cause whatever you sow is what you're worrying. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future. Bless their way, guide their steps every day. For tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Oh, teach them respect in every stride. Work with honor, hold their heads so high. In their smile, we see the spark.
Jane! Why is breakfast not ready yet? Don't stay like you don't know that no one ignores us when we are talking. What's going on? Breakfast is not served yet, and I'm asking her why she is ignoring me.
Jane.
Point of correction, Auntie Jane.
Wait, let me address this auntie of a thing. Why should we call you auntie?
Because I am not your mate, and courtesy demands that you accord me that respect.
You say courtesy as if you know what that means. The only people or person entitled to the title auntie is my mother or my father's siblings. They don't have one, so I hope you understand that.
Who did this to you two?
I don't know what you're talking about, but my parents didn't employ you here for us to call you that. And you're not doing your job well for us to be calling you auntie. You have 10 minutes to prepare our food because we're hungry.
10 what? Anna, you want the one with my stomach to start crying before you know that I'm not joking. You have 5 minutes.
Did you hear that? Let's go.
Let me offer to my press. Say make I dance for you small now. Thank you very much. God will bless you.
Welcome.
Thank you. You tried for me well. God will bless you.
You're welcome.
Asanga.
Do you like it?
Whoa. It's sweet well. Hi.
So, I've been wanting to ask you something, Mom. I don't get help for here before.
Helps.
Helps? How?
No, man. If you say help, it can't be like saying I just one. So now it make me add and plural. You know, so I go school, add is can be helps. You won't get plenty. I said, I don't fit even remember their name at all. Then plenty. But the kid one went fine that time. I went fine. As I see you like this, I see you I see a picture for your body. I be rough out. Oh, you might be young. And then be that time. You might be young.
So, what thing make them come out for here?
What thing make wedding?
What thing make all the helps go?
Those two are fine here. They see they do you Merry Christmas. They never stop. You don't understand. They see they do you welcome party. By this kind of time.
Those? Which two?
See, by the time those two upon here, they start to work on you. They start to work on you like this, you know, could ask me why or waiting make those house helps them come out. If they work on you like this, but they will on here.
Thank you.
Welcome. You sabi cook well. Nobody for this house don't cook. Like this girl now. And I feel the sweet too now. So that thing go the sweet too. Hi. God, this girl fine. I think go sweet.
That is the resolution of the school authority.
Ma'am, please. This can't be it now. I mean, there is a way we can go about this. Whatever their action may have cost, I will take care of it. We are going to take care of it, please. It has not got into this. This can be resolved.
The boy they can beat is in coma as we speak. His chances of survival is 50-50.
Like I said, we can fix this. We can fix this. This is fixable. I will fix it. Please. I don't mind going to the family of the boy.
Sure. It's on your family to take care of all the hospital bills until he recovers.
It's okay, which is no problem. We are ready to do it. But, I mean, if you take care of the bills and fix up everything, they will be reinstated, right?
It is against our modus operandi to restate expelled students.
Madam Principal. Madam, really, there's a way we can come about a level ground here. Please, like I said, my family is ready to take care of whatever it will cost to make this whole thing go away. Hello, ma'am.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long.
I will do no such thing. Judith, you have your own money. So you go and settle the hospital bill yourself.
Listen, you know that is not possible, right? Huh?
Look at me. Does it look like I'm joking or what? It baffles me that after all these years, you've not really known me.
What about the expulsion?
Well deserved.
Precious. Annabelle, you two should apologize to your father.
Apologize?
Why?
For what exactly?
Excuse you. What do you mean for what exactly? You don't know what you did. Huh?
Mom, we've been quiet since this whole thing started. I mean, why is it that nobody wants to hear our own side of the story?
Because no one is interested in whatever you want to say. You have no side of the story to tell. How can you browbeat a boy to the point of him going into coma?
Well, I see no wrong with it.
You see no wrong in that, young lady.
Yes.
If I slap the both of you, you will shut up. I mean, what is wrong with you? What are you becoming? Huh?
It's not what they're becoming, it's what they've become. And it's your fault. So you have to deal with it. And you, bring down your leg. Bring it down now.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. Cause whatever you sow is what you worry. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future. Raise them up, bless their way, guide their steps every day. For tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Oh, teach them respect in every stride. Walk with honor, hold their heads so high. In their smile, we see the spark. Training your kids leaves a lasting mark. Through the struggles and the skies.
Why are you not dressed for school? Food is ready.
Yes. That's the only thing you should be saying instead of poking your nose in other people's business.
This thing is in over 2 weeks they expelled the kids from school. And you're not saying anything about it.
And what do you need to say about it?
Okay, fine, then enroll them in another school.
So they will start from where it stops. I'm not going to do that.
Excuse you. Are you trying to say my children will no longer go to school, like they should stay at home? Is that the plan?
Until they have a change in attitude, I'll call the school to reinstatement. I will not enroll anybody in any school. Right?
Can you imagine this man?
Ma'am? Can I talk to you about something?
About what?
I overheard your conversation with Oga. I think I can help.
Help with what? Hold on. Are you trying to say I am not training up my children in the right way?
No, ma'am.
No. You are now eavesdropping on my conversation with my husband.
No, ma'am.
No one.
Ma'am,
I what? No, I don't understand. I what? Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Young lady. No, what exactly is your mission in this house? No, you have a particular mission you came into this house to carry out, right?
No, ma'am.
No what? Or you no longer know your lane? No, you don't know your space anymore. You need me to knock you back into your lane, like knock you into your lane so you remain there.
No, ma'am.
Can you imagine? You walk up here, it's the effrontery for me. Like the audacity. You opened my door, stood here. Tell me, ma'am, I want to help. Help with your life. Help with your miserable life first before you start looking for who to help. Have you been married before? Have you been married before? No, let me skip the marriage part. Have you been pregnant before? Do you have a child? When I'm asking you a question, you answer me, young lady, before I get violent with you. Have you had a child before?
No.
So what gave you the audacity to tell me you can help with training my kids because you think I am not training them well? Huh?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Sorry for your miserable life that needs fixing before looking for somebody's home to fix. Now get lost! Can you imagine? Have you ever been pregnant before? Have you been pregnant before? Talk more of having kids to now tell me how to train my kids. Can you imagine this nonsense girl? It's not my fault I employed you. No, I gave you employment. I'm paying you to come and give me advice. Special advisor on children's affairs. On kids' affairs. Can you imagine? See, they should make a law of mind your business. Like when you fail to mind your business, you should be arrested and jailed for life. Idiot, in my house, eating my food, drinking my water, telling me how to train my kids. God.
Jenny!
Sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Welcome, sir.
Where is my wife and my kids?
She drove out with them.
To where?
I don't know, sir.
She didn't tell you where they went to.
No, sir.
It's okay. Get me water to drink.
Okay, sir.
Hey. Where are you?
Yes, sir.
So they didn't tell you where they went to, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry to bother you, but I want to discuss something with you.
Okay, sit.
Thank you, sir.
So what is this about?
Actually, sir, I think I can help.
You can help based on what exactly?
I had a conversation with your wife, so I think I can help.
Okay. You want to help? Is it what aspect? Training my kids in school, catering for them, or help in what aspect?
No, not that, sir. Well, I would like to go with them to my house. I would like them to stay with me for a month. And by the time they come back, they will be renewed.
And how do you intend to do that?
Leave that to me, sir. As long as you and your wife don't come around, no cell phone, no calls. And you let them stay with me for 1 month.
It's okay. I will think about it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. Cause whatever you sow is what you
Never. My children are not leaving my sight, not even for a minute. For a day, 2 days, 3 days, I don't care. They are not going anywhere. What is wrong with you, Dixon? No, really, you amaze me. You just gave your consent like that, just like that, without seeking mine.
You see, she sounded convincing.
She does not need to sound any convincing. We're talking about my kids that I carried for 9 months each. They are my children. I deserve to give my consent, and my consent is no. They are not going anywhere.
Our children needs help.
My children does not
They
need help.
need help.
My children don't need help.
Wherever I'm going to get help for them to get better, I'll do it.
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about. But the children I gave birth to, my 2 children, Annabelle and Precious, they do not need help whatsoever.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. You know exactly
I
where I'm
don't know
going
what
to.
you're talking about. My children are perfect.
Anyway.
They can see, they can walk, they are not sick, nothing is wrong with them, they are not mad, they are perfect the way they are.
Anyway, I had to let her go with them.
Well, they are not going anywhere. Take my children out of this house and see the color I am made of. Don't know what anybody is talking about. That girl Jane, let me look for my children and I'm going to arrest everybody.
I think you actually need help too.
No, you need help. No, Dixon, you need help. You are the one who needs help.
I don't know if you want to.
No, you are the one who needs help. What is wrong with you? Listen, there is no sign of madness or whatsoever in my own lineage. Maybe your lineage, there is madness there. My children are perfect.
Actually,
maybe you're the one who needs a therapy.
You
need therapy. Sick one.
My children needs help?
My children does not need help. Can you
also.
stop saying that because you're getting me mad? If you need help, go to therapy.
Sir, are you okay? I mean, what troubles you?
My wife. She won't just let it happen.
I thought as much. Because I spoke to her before coming to you, but she wouldn't consent.
What then do we do?
I think you should speak to her again. Maybe she will change her mind.
And what if she don't?
Then we activate Plan B.
Evian!
Oka.
Come here.
Oka.
What's her name? Where is she? What's her name again?
Oka, me, I don't know who
You don't know the
about.
name of the person you're working with.
Oh, Oka. Yen.
That's no.
She there for Yen.
I didn't employ anybody yen. Are you in China? What?
Okay, Chen.
Jane.
Chen.
Go and come to Chen very soon.
Chen. She there for
Go and get Jane for me.
I go call. Now we come. I dey come, Oka. Yen.
Yeah.
Yen. Oka. What's here?
You can go.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, sir.
Mugu. She said no. What do we do now?
Plan B.
Plan B? Which is?
Efiomi, get wetin I wan tell you. You know say these Oga children no get respect.
Yes, now. They don't give respect.
I wan carry them go my house, make I go train them.
Then they been iron where I'm very good.
You no concern you na my work. Now you know how I wan take run.
So now, what thing you want make me come do?
Hey, now wetin you suppose ask me? How may you carry us go there?
For this thing now, so say come madam go create.
E concern you. Na you be madam. I know say she no go do, so if she comot for work in the morning, go carry their bag put for car. Then me and Oga go do the rest.
Okay, now, I know wahala. But if you go like this, now I be say me I not go see you again.
So now wetin dey bother you with that one?
What? You want me Oga come finish me? I dey talk my own. They say.
Church, na your problem. No go open your mouth too. If madam hear am, me and you go get problem.
What about you again? Hey, so if this girl now come out for this house now, I don't go see her again because of this small one day they want no pay respect. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm going to be at the office by 12 p.m. I'm not feeling well. Yeah, I'm not just feeling too well. I have an appointment with the doctor by 10 this morning. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Hey, babe.
Honey, I overheard you saying you're not feeling fine. But you didn't complain about anything last night.
Yeah. I woke up to it. You ready?
Oh, yes, I am. Don't forget your appointment. It's very important.
Of course, sure. I won't.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, dear. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. 'Cause whatever you sow is what you're worrying. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future. Bless their way, guide their steps every day. For tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Oh, teach them respect in every stride. Walk with honor, hold their heads so high. In their smile, we see the spark. Training your kids leaves a lasting mark. Through the struggles and the skies, they will shine brighter like the stars.
Have you finished packing their things?
Yes, I did that last night.
Okay, what of Effiong?
He's
Go get their bags and put inside the car.
Okay, their bags, they're inside car already.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, go to the car, sit there with Effiong. I'm coming right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay? Coming. Honey? Fresh?
Yes, Dad.
Come, please. Okay. I want to surprise you guys. Okay? You know, for some time now I've not been taking up my responsibility as a father. Okay? But today, I want to take you guys out.
Aren't you going to work today?
No. I want to have time for you guys today. Okay? Go to the mall, buy ice cream, buy whatever you want to buy. You know, make it up to you. Make you happy.
Okay.
What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay, so why don't we?
Aren't you going to change?
No, you're looking cool.
Okay, Daddy.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Dad.
Yeah?
What are these two things doing here?
Come on. We are going together as one family, so we enjoy
Mom,
together.
what? Is Mom not joining us?
I've instructed Mom to start coming from the office, so she'll take excuse and come over to join us. Okay? Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Daddy, just smell this thing.
Hey, come on.
it's
Okay, you want your ice cream to stink?
Oh,
It's okay.
No,
Not at all,
it's
Daddy.
okay.
Daddy,
Are you
that's
sure?
fine. Yes.
Okay.
It's fine.
Don't worry. They're going to take care of you. Okay? Okay? Oh, where's my phone? Hold on.
Kadiwi, this one is smiling like, oh goodness, oh, that doesn't have sense.
Let's go now. You're going to take care of them, okay? Make sure. Who is this again? Hello? Why? But I told you to cancel all the appointment for today. For what?
Can't be happening.
Oh God. Oh. Okay, the white man is there, right? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let's go now. Jane, please take care of them. Get whatever they want to eat for them, okay?
Daddy, I don't understand.
What?
Are you trying to say that you're not joining us?
I'll join you. Let me do my business first, okay? I have a business with a client, a white man, okay? You drive safely, okay?
All right.
Drive what?
Drive safe.
Good. Okay, come on, let's
He
go.
can't-
Hop in.
Dad, I'm not sure I can.
You can't believe me.
No, come on, Jane. Please take care of them, okay? Okay, go.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. 'Cause whatever you sow is what you're worrying. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future. Bless their way, guide their steps every day. For tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Oh, teach them respect in every stride.
Is this the place you're getting the ice cream?
Go and carry your bag.
What are we doing in this horrible place?
Well, this is your new home.
You must be joking. Is my dad aware of this?
Of course.
So he played us.
Yes, he did. And you'll be staying with me now.
What?
until further notice. Get your bags, let's go in.
You must be joking. I'm not touching that.
Are you Effiong? Drive us home.
Right
Effiong, you
home.
can go, please.
Effiong,
Thank
I
you.
command you, drive us back home.
Who you dey command? I be like your mate. If I dial you 15 now, go no. Carry this back, make I ride this motor.
Because you're new here, I will help you with your bag, but this will be the last
Get back
time.
here. Get back. You lose your job. You're going to get fired.
Which job? Now you employ me? Maybe you can vote. No, back you.
Now, don't you dare talk to my sister like that.
Boom, yeah, it's all. Don't come on, don't come.
Hey,
Go inside there. Come on.
you're not going anywhere under my door.
Oh my God, I need to free. Are you afraid of me like that?
Okay.
How is the place?
Okay. Naketo. But okay, what do make you send them go that kind of place now?
Just go. Just go.
Oh, correct, sir. On one day.
Is this where we're staying?
Yes. Welcome to your new home.
Our new what?
Home. You'll be staying with me until I certify that you're okay to go home.
Take us back to our own house. Not this useless thing you call a home.
Really?
Really?
Get used to it.
Okay, if we're here, what are we going to be doing in this stinky place?
Everything I tell you to do.
You must be joking. Because we can't stay here, Jane. And ow!
Auntie Jane. From now on is Auntie Jane. Do you understand? Get your bag. Let's go in. I said, come back here. Annabelle. Precious. If I come inside there, it will not be funny. Come outside and pick your bags. Annabelle. Precious.
My bag?
Yes, your bag.
To dance in the rain. Show them how to turn
Annabelle.
their tears into gain. The road is so
Annabelle, for the last time, come and get your bag.
the future is secure.
Annabelle!
Stories, courage and fire. What
Precious!
is what you're worrying. Them will
Jane!
with the energies you give.
Annabelle!
Them will determine the future.
Precious!
Awake at your steps. Every day.
Jane!
Tomorrow's dawn, promise is bright. With them we will stand in the light. Oh,
Jane!
teach them respect in
Jane!
every stride. What we
Jane!
do, hold their heads so high. In their smile,
Jane!
see the spark. Training your kids leaves a lasting mark. Through the struggles and the skies,
Jane!
shine brighter like the stars. From the field to the city light, there will be blessing every day. Bless their way, guide their steps every day. For tomorrow's dawn,
Effiong!
promise is bright. With them we
Effiong!
stand in
Okay, madam.
Where is everyone? My husband, the kids, and Jane. Where are they?
Come, madam, I dey here now. Husband, never come back from work. Kids, 2 of them dey inside house. And Chen office na kitchen now. She no dey there.
They are not there. That's why I'm asking you.
Come madam. This one, me, I don't understand. Because everybody dey inside, I look say everybody dey okay before me I come there. Madam, any problem?
Let this not be what I am thinking about. You did not see them leave this house.
No, come madam, the kids them dey inside now.
Nobody left this house.
Nobody left. Madam, is there any problems? Any problems? I don't know again. No. See this poor man. You never teach something. Them they try to correct your picking head. Work on them, make those Opanje spirit come for their body. They ask me. You don't see any, you don't see them. Where them there? Them there for my head. Them there for my head. Never teach something. Make them go work on your picking well. Make them bring them come. Make them be like human beings. Don't be this one where they do like smaller like Opanje. They go come out those Opanje spirit for their body. I don't see anything. In fact, they're there for my head. They ask me. Where am I begin? Where am I begin?
Dixon. So you have succeeded in carrying out your plan, right?
I have to do what I have to do.
Oh, you had to do what you had to do. Well, let me tell you something you need to know. There will be no peace in this house.
Wow.
You think I'm joking, right? Dixon, you think I am joking, right?
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure.
What is happening?
How do people survive in this big smelling pot of soup?
How are we going to stay here? I'm just so tired.
We can try and run away. I've told you many times, but you said no.
Dinner.
The what?
The wagon. Silly girl.
Yeah, I'm not eating this.
I'm not trying. Now I am. Please finish it.
No peace for you in this house. No peace whatsoever. Until you tell that thing called jail. Until you tell that thing called jail to bring back my children in this house. What kind of nonsense is that? What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? This is I'm talking to you. You want to sleep. Sleep where? Sleep where? You want to sleep. There will be no sleep for you in this house. So go and bring my children. You connived with your mistress, brought her into this house as a maid, just to achieve your evil plots. You think I don't know? Now you're telling me that you want to sleep.
Please, can I have a pillow? I'm going to have a busy day
And
tomorrow.
whose business is that?
I need to sleep.
Oh, you want to sleep? You want to sleep? This is you have mind though. You want to sleep. Like I told you, there's no peace for the wicked. You want to sleep, whereas your children are somewhere. You don't even know if they are safe. You don't even know if anything is happening to them. And you're telling me you want to sleep. Sleep where? Sleep where? There is no peace for you in this house. Don't sleep for anyone in this house. What kind of nonsense is that? And you call yourself a husband? You call yourself a father? Did you carry them 9 months for me? Do you know the stress I went through? Do you know the labor pain I went through? Now you took my children to God knows where. And you tell me you want to sleep. Listen, stand up for the. I'll suffocate you with this. No, I told you there's no.
not eating your dinner? Oh, I can see you're not hungry yet. Don't worry. Hunger will soon kick in. And when it does, and you finish this delicious dinner, you can come in and sleep.
Wait, I'm hungry. But wait, I'm trying to understand something. Someone will consent to this ill treatment. I don't understand. I mean, oh God.
I can't believe Mom allowed to do this. I mean, why would she?
I'm just so hungry. I'm very hungry.
Then eat that.
How? How do you expect me to eat this thing?
Then don't eat it!
Let's
Stop till tomorrow!
Let's go and lay down, please.
Are you insane? Go where? Oh, so she'll feel like she has won, right? I'm not going in there.
Forget about all these things. If you don't want to go, don't go.
Then you stay here or you go inside there. Because I'm not going there.
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into a game. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure in their eyes.
Where's the key to the car you just washed?
Okay. Now come Madam David Tamo.
I don't understand.
And she come meet me, she say, you say, make I give her the key. Make she come give you.
Judith! Judith! Judith!
What is it?
Where's the key to the car he just washed?
Key to what?
The car key.
Oh, you mean this key?
Judith, give me. I want to start going for an appointment now.
Start going for where?
Give me now.
I don't know what you're talking about.
God. Judith, see, I'm not in the mood for this. I have an appointment with white people. Okay? And you know how they behave.
I don't
They
care.
don't joke with time.
Dixon, I don't care. If you like, have meeting with purple people, pink people, green people, blue people, rainbow color people. It's none of my business. Until you bring back my kids, my 2 girls until I see them in this house, hale and hearty, then we can start talking of where you want to go to. As for now, you're not going anywhere. There is no peace for you in this house. I told you. What key? What key?
My friend, can I
What
get
is
the key?
it? What is it?
Give it to me.
What?
Give me. I'll break your hand though.
Give it! Jesus, Dixie! Dixie, you want to wound me? Dixie, you want to wound me?
Nonsense. Hey, open the gate.
Open which gate? Open which gate? Open that gate, let me deal with you. Open that gate and you will die today.
Gate, my
You
friend.
think it's to collect key? Come and pass them. Come and leave them.
I'll climb you.
Climb me now.
I'll just climb you.
Climb me.
I'll just climb you.
Climb me.
Just drag
If
you
you
up.
like, climb
Just
your
just
village.
skeleton and do it like
Oh,
this. Send it to you. I'll climb you.
Climb me now. You think it's my
No,
mouth?
stay there.
I'm here already.
No, stay there.
I'm here. Dixie, what do you think you're doing? Dixie, you won't be. Dixie, you give it today. Oh yeah, come here. Dixie, come here, my friend. Let's not get idiot.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Today is the last day you will wake up by this time. Do you understand?
What? It's just 6:45!
Really? Lesson number 1. Here you wake up by 4 a.m.
What?
Yes. And we start devotion from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Every other thing follows. And each instructions I give will not be repeated. Do you understand me? You want more shower? Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
I do!
Did you not hear me the first time? I said, where did you take my children to?
No, they hear for the year.
You know they hear where? You know they hear where? Where you come back here!
What is this? Who raised these children? Annabelle. Precious.
What
Come out.
is it?
Any problem?
Really? Is that the first thing you're supposed to say to me in the morning?
I'm not serious.
Who raised you children?
My father and
Look
mother.
at the compound. Is this what your father and mother taught you in the morning?
I don't understand. Wait, do you expect us to sweep this place? We don't even know how to sweep.
I did not say if this place is small. This whole place.
Wow. Really? It's a pity your mother didn't do a good job with you both. Now pick those 2 brooms there.
You're not being serious, are
You're
you?
joking, I know, because I ain't touching that thing.
I will not like to repeat myself again. Pick those 2 brooms there.
You're not being serious, are you?
I said pick that broom! Are you mad? Do you think this is your house? Where you misbehave? You think I have time for your silly shenanigans? I'm going out. And by the time I come back, I want this place clean.
See, I don't even understand. You're not there. We don't even know how to do this. And you want us to sweep. I just want to go home. This is so irritating. Ah!
Little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to
Precious!
their tears
What?
into gain.
Come here.
So long for
Pick it up.
Really?
Talk back at me. Pick it up.
courage and fire. Whatever you sow.
Are you folding your hands?
I don't even know how to swim.
Can you talk back at me like that? Huh? Do you want me to use this on you? You try and swim.
Try Guinea. It's only you that is trying.
Talking back at me.
What will you do?
Do you know I'm your elder sister? And I can use this in a hit you and nobody's going to do anything about it.
Promise is bright. With them
Ooh.
standing the
Ooh. What?
teach them respect.
Oh, come my ear. I don't come there. Hey, hey. Oh, wow, what's even going on? Guy, which can wicked woman be this now? Hey, this woman wicked pass Jezebel where they for Bible. What was even get my own? Hey, Uncle, now. You know, if I call this woman Jezebel now, people could say, if you don't match I don't do bad. They could say, if you don't match I don't do bad. Come give me this kind strap now. Okay, I don't see a plan now. He won't make a sack me for this job. But my abas keep buying to walk along the beg me or can no sack me. Ooh, what? I'm not going to be here.
Oh, is that thing you're doing walking?
Sweep and stop talking. Oh God, help me.
This isn't working at all.
You that's my elder sister. How do you expect me that is small to sweep? You sweep and you know my elder sister. Perform your responsibility.
Wait, come back here. Are you?
So you girls are still here.
Yeah,
And this place is still dirty.
No! Not at all. We're just trying.
Yeah.
You're trying and the place is still very dirty.
You don't exactly know.
Kneel
how to-
down. I do not like to repeat myself. I said kneel down. When I say kneel down, I do not mean you should laugh. I started sweeping at the age of 2. How old are you? I said, how old are you?
15!
How old are you?
10.
You're 10. At your age, I was already cooking for my family. So as you can see, I brought food for us to eat. But unfortunately, no one is eating until this place is clean.
You're not performing your elderly duties though. What is the meaning of this? You're expecting me to sweep. Sweep. I'm not sweeping for any reason. I have an elder sister that is 15. Sweep!
Thank God you said elder sister. Take this.
And do what?
I said take it. Start sweep.
Start sweeping. So I can relax, madam.
I will
should
join
sweep.
you. Start sweeping.
How do you want me to use this? How do you want me to use this as sweep?
As I lived here before, right? You will not start sweeping now!
Now let me teach you. I'm not going to touch you. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Because it's obvious you don't know how to do it. Bend down, boy. Hold the broom.
How do we hold it?
I'm coming. Now watch. Come here so you can see it. Watch. Do you see?
Yeah.
Blocking.
Okay.
You see? It's that simple. You can even play around with it. It's not that difficult. You're tired already. Now come back and start from there. That's how life is. Life is not fair. So even when you're tired, you have to push yourself to do more. That's how you survive. See, you're missing a spot. You're not done. You have to put it together and then pack it.
How?
I will show you.
In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. But whatever you sow is what you're worrying. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future.
Can I leave it now?
No, you have to pack it.
How do I do that? And with what?
It's a packer.
Where is the packer?
It's inside. You didn't know. Go and get it.
Teach them respect in every stride. Work with honor, hold their heads so high. In their smile, we see the spark. Training your kids leaves a lasting mark. Through the struggles and the sky.
I'm weak, tired, and hungry. Same here.
I'm so hungry.
Can't believe we are in this mess. Can I eat you? What plan does she have for us? No. How can she expect us to eat this? I'm not trying it. Even though I'm as hungry as I'm not going to eat this.
But we just have to.
Here is the water. You did a good job today, so you need a good food. Good girls.
I mean, we just have to manage it. We will have to eat it. You know you're my sister, and if you don't eat, I won't eat too.
I don't even care about all this thing. I'm just hungry.
Okay, wait. Let's try. Try it together, okay?
Teach the little ones to dance in the rain. Show them how to turn their tears into gain. The road is so long, but the heart is so pure. In their eyes, the future is secure. Tell them the stories of courage and fire. Cause whatever you sow is what you worry. They will always flow with the energies you give. How you raise them will determine the future.
What did you do to Effiong? What did you do to Effiong? I'm talking to you.
Like I said, there will be no peace in this house except my children returns.
Oh.
Yes.
There will be no peace in this house except your children returns. And you're here drinking a glass of juice. Who married when his house or our house is on fire? Who? Listen, let me tell you something. Do not ever touch that boy again. He's a man, actually. Don't try that rubbish again, else you see my style. You see what I will do.